Very good evening, students. Today we are going to start our sociology course in class 11. Firstly, I welcome you all in class 11 and I congratulate you too for opting this subject as an optional. So let us talk about sociology later. Before, I want to say something about this subject. um, I congratulated you for opting this subject. So there was a reason for this, because there are two reasons for this. The subject is an easier one, because what is sociology? That is the study of the society, that whatever you see around you, basically that is the study of sociology. So what is the difference between a layman and a sociologist? Whenever we apply what we are watching near us, a scientific method to study all this, then it becomes sociology. And the second thing is, what I want to tell you about the subject is little sensitive. What does that mean? Because it consists of different social problems. So we will study about the poverty, we will study about discrimination, various kinds of discrimination, class discrimination, gender discrimination and all. So what I want to tell you is key sociology is an very good subject. It is easier one, because whatever you see around you, you are going to study in this. And the second is, it's a sensitive subject, so let us take a subject in a little serious way. So that's all. So I'm coming back on the course. So your course in class 11 consists of two books. The first is Introducing Sociology, and the second one, it is Understanding Society and Sociology. So we are taking the first book first. So regarding your split up marks in sociology, so your paper your annual paper compiles of 80% of the theory and 20% for practical. And we have a scope for practical, so 20%, 20 marks for practicals. Introducing sociology, so it is not altogether a theoretical subject, we have a practical also. So the first book is Introducing Sociology in class 11. I'm taking this. So likewise, I said earlier, it is the scientific study of the society and social relationship, whatever we see around us. But when we see these things around us in a scientific way, by applying the scientific methods of sociology, we become a sociologist. And the social relationship, look bacha, society consists of people. It consists of social relationships. What kind of social relationships? For example, in a family, you will study about the family as an institution, you will study about political institution, you will study about religion as an institution. So different kind of relationships are there in each institution. And what are the nature of the relationships? What is a relationship persist for ages? How they help in the development of the society? What is the need of these relationships? So we are going to study about this in the sociology. So why to study the sociology? Why there is a need to study our society? This is the bigger question. So I hope you all will agree with me. The society where we are living, if we do not know our society, I think the knowledge we are getting regarding America, regarding Europe, that is useless. Before knowing your society, what is your society, it is very important. Most important thing is, you should know about the society you are living in. So this is the, so to this study, why we study the sociology, that is to study the society in an objective manner. Here we study the society in an objective manner, that is scientifically, by applying the methods of the sociology. So understanding the rational causes of the social problems, coming on that going back on that point, that sociology deals with social problems. So look, we deal with the positive aspects of the society, what is happening in the society, social institutions, social relations, and also on the negative aspects. what bad things are happening in the society, what is social problems are emerging in the society. So here are some social problems, likewise poverty, discrimination, gender difference, and social stratification, new emerging social issues, ecological problems, corruption, crime, and so on. So all these consist of the social problems. So, and to provide, we just not study these social problems, we study these social problems from the at the core, and also we provide the solution for these social problems, and these are rational solutions, in a way, based on our surveys, based on our solutions. The policy framers draft the policy. Whatever you see in the parliament, whatever you see, what ministers are coming up with, so big policies, these policies are made up of the suggestions or the material we have provided them. So we have a major role to do in a society, to perform in a society. So here, this is the first point. Second is to study different social institutions like political, educational, family, religion, and economy. Here we are going to study every institution of the society, every political institution, educational, family, religion, economy, their working, how they are helped to in improving the society, what are the social problems in these institution, all this. So third is, look, Vacha, this is an important point. It is related to many other disciplines like history, political science, psychology, anthropology, which produces better understanding of these disciplines and makes learning easier. So the subject matter of the sociology, it is common to these very disciplines. So if you are keeping psychology and sociology, so there will be a overlapping of many of the topics, that which makes your understanding easy and also learning easy, because when you are studying one topic in different ways but studying the same topic, so it makes learning easier. So the fourth point is overlapping of it. It also lessen your academic burden and enhances understanding when we study same topic in different subjects. So first thing, your understanding enhances, and the second thing is it lessens the academic burden. For example, if you have studied the thing in sociology, now you will study the thing in same topic in political science, but that will require less energy, so academic burden decreases. So I suggest the students to keep the subjects which have the overlapping of the subjects, which are not separated from each other, starkly distinct from one another. So this is a subject which helps students to go through political science, to go through history. During the course of time, we will see that I will mention you that you have studied this in history, you have studied this in political science, and you will tell me that, ma'am, we have studied this. So the fifth is the critical analysis of problems through discussions and debates. So the subjects give you an opportunity for discussions and debates. So what we usually do, we have lot of discussions in the class and debates, so it gives you an opportunity for that. So keep your mind open. So it also, through discussion and debates, it widens your horizons, because we come to know about the different new facts. And also, by critical analysis, it is very important to analyze the things critically. So it gives you an opportunity for critical analysis. It widens your horizons of knowledge. So easy to fetch marks, because the subject matter is whatever you see around you, so it is easy to understand. Finally, eventually it is easy to fetch marks. Helps students in undergraduate, graduate, and postgraduate courses. This is an important point to understand here. Look, children, your parents will suggest you to keep an option that will be helpful to you in future also. So here lies the subject sociology. uh, from my past experiences, what I have learned, that this subjects help students in studying further, in pursuing their further courses. For example, when they take up their graduation or when they take up their post graduation, so it helps them a lot. So there are some categories of the disciplines which are easy, likewise sociology, but they are not helpful to you in pursuing graduate or postgraduate courses. So what I think is, you should take up a subject that which will help you to go through the competitive exam. So here lies in subject sociology. It helps cracking various competitive exams. My earlier students have given me this information that, ma'am, sociology is very helpful in cracking various competitive exams. Various interviews are asking the subjects related to sociology, so it helps cracking various competitive exams. It is really very helpful. So career options, what different career options we have? We have civil services. So this is the most coveted service option. So if you aspiring to be a civil servant, so it is said and it is proved, sociologists are the best civil servants. So second is law. If you want to pursue law, so it is going to help you in cracking your competitive exam. Policy framers, so if you're interested in making the policies, if you're really interested in finding the solutions and policy frame. Journalism, researcher, if you are going to study about the causes, the problems of the society, researcher. Social services, health services, and education also. So these are some of the career options listed here. So going on the next slide. So this is coming back on the book. So our first book consists of 5 topics, 5 chapters: sociology and society. Here we will study about sociology and the society, the terms, concept, and their use in sociology. That is the terminology of the society. Understanding social institution. We will understand the working of different social institutions, their role in the society, the different relationships in the institution, culture and socialization, and doing sociology, research methods. So this is one of the important uh, topic in sociology, doing sociology. That is the practical aspect of the sociology, where we are applying the methods of the sociology. So here we will study about the different methods which are used when studying the social problem scientifically. So this will give you an opportunity to be a field researcher at this minute level. So you will have to take up some issue, and on that you have to do the research on this level. So it is a big opportunity. What I think is, it gives students knowledge that is of this knowledge is of real knowledge. So you will get to know about your society in a real way, in a real manner. So these are the contents of the sociology. Terms and concepts are the terminology in the sociology. That is the, for example, we have biology. So we have different terminology for biology, and likewise we have different terminology for sociology as a discipline. Another, sociology is the study of human living together. Sociology is the study, or Tony, sociology is the study of social groups on the basis of social interaction. So concluding all these definition, so here lies a conclusion. On the basis of the above definitions, we can conclude what all these scholars have talked about in these definitions is, sociology is the science of society, comma, human behavior, interaction, and relationship. All these definitions are talking about these things. What? Science of society, human behavior, and human interaction and relationships. So this is the crux of all these definitions. Now, origin. So let us study briefly the origin or the historical background of sociology. So systematic study of sociology started with Greeks. These were the Greeks who started systematically study the society. They considered man as a social animal, as we know that man is known as a social animal. So, and need of the society, he needs a society. The modern sociology was coined by Auguste Comte, which I told you earlier. He is considered as the founder of modern sociology. He called it social physics. So what he called it? He called sociology earlier social physics, and he renamed it sociology later. Meaning of sociology, like biology, chemistry, you know that it has been derived from two words, the Latin socius, meaning companionship, and the Greek logos, means study. So it literally means the study of human companionship or association of the society. It's an easier one. So the scope has been divided into two divisions. What is the scope? In the field of the knowledge, what you can do. Sociologists have the primary and basic aim to build up the knowledge about society and social interaction. The sociologists are required to gain the know-how about the social problem and their solution. This is our work. So in the field of profession, we have earlier discussed it. Sociology is also a professional discipline. It performs the following services as a profession: teaching, research, administration, and many more. So thank you. So I am concluding my lecture here. So what I suggest you all is, if you didn't understand anything, you all carry my number. Please do give me a call. Okay, so don't hesitate. Anytime you can give me a call. You can ask me any question, any type of question. We are here to discuss your queries. So please give a our sole purpose is the understanding of the subject, to have an hold over the subject. So please, bacha, please give me a call, and please come up with doubts. You have to come up with doubts and do study. If you do not have a book, please download the book as PDF format from net. It is available there. So name of the book, as I have mentioned, Introducing Sociology, class 11. So please, thank you class. That's all for the day.